Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how can you make money as a teenager and can grow your self abilities and know your actual potential. See, in the case of making money, there are a hell of different ways in which you can make money. But as a teenager and going to school, you will be having two scenarios in your life. One can be that your family is incredibly rich or having a good money and you are living happily. And one scenario would be that your family is not that rich or maybe even poor. You would be going in a normal or lower average school. So in the first scenario, I would be able to not to take these things seriously, like making money, going to self improvement or like this shit. So first scenario, if I would be in that situation, I would be enjoying my life, having a good and memorable teenage, and not be taking tension or stress on these things. As there would be a 80% chance that you would be in the second scenario as you are watching this video. And one more thing I would like to tell you guys, that if you are interested in buying the Hot Wheels or this type of cars, you can just leave a comment and I will sell you the cars. And for more information, you can just comment and I will be sending you the codes. And or you can just ask me on Instagram. I will leave my Insta account in the description. So, the key steps of making money is that you should know what is your value and what should be your product's value or your services. And the second thing would be like what can you actually sell? So, this kind of questions are the most popular that what can actually sell to people, what service can provide. So the best thing would be wherever you go, if you go to school, in your class, what are the people most interested in, or the people who want to show the things which are actually valuable or having value. Like they can show off in front of anyone. Like if they get that thing, they would show off in front of many people. So that thing will give you a unfair advantage or initial boost. So as there is a boy in my class, that guy is so smart that he has seen that many people in our class or school like cars, like many of them are like to collect the cars, like the Hot Wheels or the things. So he saw that many car enthusiasts are there in the school, and that guy thought that he should sell the smaller ones like the Hot Wheels, and that guy legit sold these cars above the MRP of the product. And you would think, bro, why would anyone take the things which are above MRP? So there's an interesting thing in this that when you're buying these kind of things, and these are more popular, they usually sell above the MRP because they only get on the MRP price as if the MRP of this car is 179, and if I go and search in the online or Google, I won't get I can, but there would be a possibility of 5 to 6% that I would get this in MRP, and most of them sell in a very high price, or they do auctions. So what this guy did was, he took these cars, like bought it from other people who were selling it on, for example, this is 179 on MRP, who were selling it on 200 or 220. He was taking from them and selling to my classmates or the school, the people who are in school who loves cars or who are the car enthusiasts. He was selling them in the price of 250, 300, or 550, 500, 400. So that thing, after seeing that thing, I was like shocked. So why are people taking it above the MRP? See, as where you find the demand, there the price is the most. So the thing I'm gonna say is, like, if there is a demand in anything, you just take a thing and get it in higher price and just sell it. People are gonna come to you and buy your product. As I buy this thing like on 250, which is this is Aston Martin GT Vantage, and so when I buy this thing in 250, that guy took buy this car, which was in set of 5, which was containing Jaguar F-Type, McLaren Senna, this, and I don't remember the other two. So what he did was, he bought that set of 5, he sold me this in 250. As I don't know, did he added the profit or not, as he's my good friend. I think so he would be added a less profit, but let's keep that thing aside, and I will give you a way in which you could possibly take the thing which is in the highest demand and sell it in high price, like not even high, it's the valuable price. So just go in the places nearby you. If there's a park in nearby you, or in your school there are people who buy cars like this, and the people buy comic books or many other things. What you do is give them the product and the service. Like, if you give them the book at home, you take a bit of extra money. Like, if you buy the example, you buy a comic for 200 rupees or more than that, you just add a bit of price. Like, if you buy it in 200, just add 250, or keep the total price as 250 or 220, which you will get your profit as 50 or 20 rupees. So the simplest thing is, you just take anything, add a service and sell, and which is in demand, and you will have the best product to sell in your environment, like anyway nearby you. If there is a park, go in there. If the park have many of adults, give them water or energy drinks, and if there are many of kids, go take candies or chocolates or other things which kids would buy. So this were the examples I gave to you. Ciao. pretty usable and reliable. And the three factors I gave you to find the best product to sell. So with this, you can find the best product, sell it with a bit of profit and adding the service. So this were the examples I have given to you about what can be your best product. So this is how you can earn bit money in an early age and get a step forward, get a support or whatever you can say. So this would help you a lot, making your financial strong as you grow older and older. You would be taking these things forward and having good experience with your financials. So that's all for this video, and I will be seeing